depressed or frustrated? So these are the solutions for your problem. Number first, you just have to categorically clear the reason behind getting depressed or frustrated. You just have to clarify, you just have to elucidate that why are you frustrated? Are you frustrated just because of your daily schedule? Just because of getting hurry up? Just because of getting engaged in your work for a long period of time? Or because of not getting or giving the time for your hobbies? So you just have to get the information, you just have to articulate, you just have to accumulate the informations. Why are you depressed or frustrated? So this is the situation not only for the students but also for the various people. The numerous people coming from the various domains getting frustrated or depressed just because of their daily schedule, just because of they don't spend the time for their hobbies. They just getting hurry up, getting engaged in their work for a long period of time, and they are getting depressed and getting away from their tasks, and they are not willing to get engaged in that work. They just want to create a escape. They just want to create a gap between their tasks for getting the calm mind. Number second, you just have to search or seeking for the solutions of the depression or the frustration. You just have to seek for the solutions. What are the solutions that might solve the problem of the getting frustrated or depressed? The one of the solution that I can suggest you for that is, it is just in your problem. You just have to clarify that which is the hobby that you love to do, which is the work you love to do, which is the work you can spend more time to do something, and you get the unpredictable, unconventional happiness, joy, and the desired joyfulness. You just have to seek the way to getting the happy. You just have to seek happiness in the everything. You just have the next step that you have to take. First one, you just have to, if you want to rewind the whole procedure, that primarily we were talking about. First thing, the problem. Second, seeking for the solution. Third, implementing the solutions. You just have to implement the solutions. You just have to work on the solutions. You just have to ground the solutions. You just have to articulate the whole procedure of the solution. So, one more time, the whole procedure is going to be rewind in the Hindi. आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने प्रॉब्लम को समझना है, उसके बाद उसके सॉल्यूशन को समझना है, उसके बाद उसको एक्शन में लाना है, and then you will get the result or the desired result that you want to be, that you were spending that quality time with your family and giving the time to your hobbies and sitting alone and to think something about yourself. You just have to accumulate the information about yourself. What are the things that you love to do, and you will just clarify that what are the things that might make you the hilarious moment for you, the moment that will be unpredictable, the moment that you desire for, and you just have to articulate, you just have to work on the moments that you love to do. You just have to spend the time with yourself. You just have to spend the quality time with your friends, your family, and most important thing, yourself. If you love to sitting alone on the beach, you love to sitting on the boat, you love to sitting somewhere and just near the river and just think you love swimming. If you love the badminton, playing badminton, and the numerous thing that you love to do, you just have to perform that all the activities along with the daily schedule. You just have to add on this all the things in your daily schedule to make it more hilarious and very helpful. Thank you, Abhishek.